Please completely power off the sauna by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. Remove heater frame from the wall you are replacing a heater on. With the heater frame removed, we will need to begin unscrewing the heater that is being replaced. Each heater will have 6 screws, 1 in each corner and 1 towards the middle on the left and right side. After unscrewing the heater, we will need to unplug the heater from the wiring within the wall. Disconnect the connectors closest to the sauna wall. Do not disconnect the connectors that are taped to the heater. This will lead to connecting the wiring with fuse that comes with the new heater to be connected to the old wires with fuse, which would cause double fusing. After the original heater is removed, we will want to position the new heater in front of its slot and begin plugging the connectors in. You can perch this up on the wooden ledge while you are making connections. From the wall, you should have 1 red wire and 1 white wire. You may have to pull the metal conduit a bit to see the color of the actual wire. On the new heater, one of the wires will have a fuse. This one will be plugged into the red wire coming from the wall. The wire with the fuse will have a white sheath and will be labeled either 2A or 4A. The wire with the fuse and white sheath will be connected to the red wire coming from the wall. One of the wires will have no fuse. This one will be plugged into the white wire coming from the wall. With the new heater plugged in, we will need to screw it back into the wall. Try to get the screw as close to the original hole as possible to avoid creating a larger than necessary hole. Test the new heater by activating the sauna and feeling for warmth. Don't make direct contact with the heater. With the back of your hand 1 inch or 2 away from the heater, check for heat output from the new heater. With everything screwed back in, we will need to place the frame back onto the wall.